Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch.
Hey guys, it's Yasmin and you're watching my channel. Before you even start watching the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe because I know you want to become a baby. You want to keep up with this brown girl. So today I'm showing you how to get these fox locks. Yup, I'm giving you Lauryn Hill Rastafari vibes right now. Like, yeah. But I'm coming to you with these fox locks and I'm going to show you how to do some. This is like the aftermath after. This is like, yeah, after I did them. And guess what, yo girl got the stomach bug. So yeah, to the video. Guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome to my channel. Before you start watching the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because you don't want to become a baby. You want to keep up with this brown girl. Wait, shouldn't I have done the intro with my hair, but it's completely done. Whatever. So today we're going to be doing a tutorial how to get fox locks. You see these? Y'all, we're going to do that in my hair. So what you're going to need is like a roll, like a big roll of acrylic yarn. So I have this. This is pre-cut already, that I cut already. So you're gonna need to cut it to the thickness you need. So like, you know, you go back and forth, and then you cut it like this. And then you're gonna need some Marley here. I got this one from Janet Nior in the color number 4. I have it in the color 4. And it's like a pack of Marley hair. This was $3.99. Yeah. And you're gonna need a rat tail comb. And then you're gonna need scissors to cut like your yarn and your hair. And then I use some spray leave-in conditioner. This is the one by Carol's Daughter, the black vanilla. And I had already moisturized my hair with Jamaican black castor oil and the curling enhancing smoothie by Shea Moisture. You're gonna need a lighter. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, and then I'm gonna come back after I finish the whole of my head. Yeah, and these are about bra booby length, and like at the end I'll tell you how long it took and all that stuff. And Oh, and you're gonna need a spray bottle. Okay, so you start. I already took out a piece right here. Don't need to spray a lot. Just to make sure there's moisture. And my hair is stretched because I don't blow dry my hair like that. Yeah. Because, you know, I gotta keep it natural. So we split it in half. Split it in the middle. So yeah, I split it in half. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Split it in half, and then you put it like this, if you could see it like that. And so this side is going to be, if you don't know how to like latch on that thing, so I'm going to just try to show you. So like, this is going to be the for one braid, and then these are the 2 other strands of the braid. So you take 3 pieces of your hair out of the part you made for that one part. And then you separate it into 3 pieces. And you begin, I hope this is on the camera, you begin to braid it down. And braid it down just to where your hair stops. So I'm gonna speed up this process to show you. But actually, no, I should show you in real time. So Yasmin, show them in real time, and then you can speed up the end, or whatever. Yeah. So just braid it. I hate interruptions. Yeah, so just braid that down to where your hair stops, and then you can leave the yarn to where it is. Like so. I'm about to get to the end. Okay. So it looks like this. You braided your hair like to where your hair stops, and then you have the rest of the yarn. And then we're using like 3 to 4 pieces of Marley hair per dread, and I have 5 packs of hair. So yeah. So you just wrap it around the base. Make sure it's tight around the base, and then you begin to wrap. Like, make sure it's close, but not too close, because you obviously don't want to use a lot of your hair. So like, start to wrap it. Like, really. You just hold it, and then we're gonna burn the end. And then roll it. Like really good, like roll it. And then it should look like this. And then I just burn it again to make sure, like, you know, everything's like. And then roll it again. And you got your you got your little dread. Alright, so this is supposed to be the end of the video. So in all, it only took me about, shouldn't have took me 2 days, but I had ran out of yarn. But I had started the first day from like 11 o'clock, and I had stopped at like 8. And then I had did like half of my head and 2 on this side. And then I finished yesterday. So I started around 8 o'clock. I finished around 12. And now we're on to the second day where I have finished, and I finished like 12 this morning. Yeah. So it's like holding up very well. And then like after the fact, I had wrapped some like embroidery floss to get this cute little look. I'm giving you looks. And all, it shouldn't have took me like the math. But yeah, I used about, actually, yeah, I used like 3 packs of hair for this length of hair. But get 5, like 3 to 4. Like I got 5 just in case, because you know they're kind of long, but they're not that long. And so yeah, I did that, and I like them, and I'm probably gonna keep them for a while, so you'll be seeing them in a couple videos. And I hope you like it, and comment for more questions. And in a couple weeks, maybe like the week after next week, I'm gonna do a talk time with Yasmin. So please send like your little problems or whatever you want to talk to me. You know, it's always anonymous. Just send it to my email. My email is yasminaljo@gmail.com. And you just send me what you gotta send me, and I'll put it in the talk time Yasmin, because I haven't done one in a while and stuff like that. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I know you want to keep up with me, and I love you babies, and bye.